High-quality animal compound feed is the basis of a balanced diet for your animals. Outmarsh LLC offers reliable equipment for animal fattening, and today we're showcasing the granulation of starter compound feed for poultry. We invite you to watch our 22 kW granulator with a 2 mm die for starter feed in action. The 600-liter precision feed auger, capable of processing from 200 to 2000 kg per hour, is equipped with a variable frequency driver, which allows you to set the raw material feed rate that you specifically need. The 22 kW granulator with a production capacity of 400–800 kg of pellets per hour. The granulator is equipped with conical rollers, which provide significantly greater durability and 20% higher productivity rate. The rollers do not require lubrication, and there is a significant noise reduction from the granulator with conical rollers. In the video, you can see the pellet quality and performance for yourself. Let's measure productivity for 1 minute after we deduct tear away from a bucket. We get 6.99 kg of high-quality starter pellets for chickens. This translates to over 419 kg of pellets per hour. A fully worn-in die will yield even better results. Qualified managers at Outmarsh LLC will provide you with more information about granulation. They will fill you in about all the necessary information and help you select equipment according to your needs. We provide service maintenance. Put your trust in the tried and true.